Today is November 12th, 2024. We are going to do a demonstration video of our Schenck Balancer. We have it prepared to run and do a modified test of a bar that we have in there. And I say modified because this is not completely put together as it should be for this particular design of unit. This is an original 1963 balancer from Schenck that has been retrofitted with an updated control in 2014. This machine works from a combination of this driver unit and then the actual balancing stand and parts that are here. The driver unit is plugged in, wired, three-phase, 220 volts, and we'll demonstrate the speeds of that in a minute here. It has basically 4 speed ranges that you change here, and then the variable speed is right here. The stand is the 2 stands, and then the updated reader head, and 2014 Schenck control. And you can see that as a model CAB 820. There is some additional tooling. I believe all of these items had much more to do with the application of the previous owner. Whether they'll be useful in the future would be up to the next person. But they do not have any great importance to running the machine as we have it set up at the moment. We do have some other tooling, a couple of manuals, the original manual, the updated control manual with CD. There's some additional bearings, 2 different sets of holders, and then this machine will use these universal drives, and I would imagine you can get whatever style of universal you need to accommodate to your part, but that is what you would place on the end of the drive unit here, couple to your part, and then spin and balance. For purposes of our demonstration, we have not taken the time to find and mock something up and put it perfectly together. We have this bar on a stand, and we are going to cheat, use this DeWalt drill to rotate it, and we'll demonstrate that the reader head and the control are doing their job as they should. First, we'll demo the head here and go through just those variable speeds. that's the drive portion there. For the actual balancing portion that you would do, now we won't actually be balancing the shaft. We're going to demonstrate that the reader head is reading and producing results that are going to tell you, as the operator, what you would need to do, add or remove weight when you're balancing a shaft. We're just demonstrating that the readings are going to change based off what we're going to show you. What we have here is the bar in the holders here. We have the unit calibrated and gave it, in other screens, we gave it the basic dimensions of the bar and the speed we're going to be balancing at. And we're going to go ahead and spin the bar, and then the reader head will produce results. Okay, so what we have then is, I believe this one should be the front one, and then this one is the rear one, and then this is, what are the units?
Inch ounces.
We're in inch ounces. So right there at 293 degrees, and then the amount of 1.8, and then on the other end you're at 96 degrees, and the amount of 6, basically.
Yeah, and I have it set for take away weight.
So that's the weight that you need to reduce on those two ends to bring the machine to within balance. Bring the bar to within balance. Now, we're going to put some weight on it. We're going to spin it again. The old readings went away. And you have new readings. As you can see, based on the weight, they've changed. So that's the weight, the end that the weight is on, and then that's the other end without weight. Now, what the units have changed to doesn't really matter. What we're trying to demonstrate here is that the head is reading correctly based on the change in weight, so that you will be able to properly balance a shaft. We can go into, and that's our rotor setup. The speed we were in, length.
Let's take weight away. That would add weight.
Do that one more time just so I could, that's the icon there. Take weight away, or
that's add weight.
Add weight.
That would be taking away weight.
So we have the control functioning, the reader head functioning as it should, and the entire unit working in good order. So if there are any questions, please feel free to reach out, contact us, and we will be happy to help.